Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find out what your dog's favorite food is in Heartopia. So it is a little bit easier than finding out your cat's food, um, because there's like a variety of foods that they like. Rather than cat, it's like very random. Like they can either like lake fish or sea fish, but it's mostly going to go towards lake fish if you want to try that first. But this is for the dog. So if you're cooking meals for them or you're giving them food, make sure you have more than one of each food. If you're trying to find out their favorite foods and you have like two dogs, get like four of each food so you'll know later what their favorite foods are. So right now I'm just going to list the foods that they might like. So possible favorites, we have apple, apple jam, blueberry, blueberry jam, strawberry jam, pineapple, raspberry, mandarin grape jam, tomato sauce, button mushroom, shiitake mushroom, oyster mushroom, grilled button mushroom, grilled oyster mushroom, grilled shiitake, button mushroom pie, oyster mushroom pie, deluxe seafood platter, seafood risotto, corn soup, meat burger, meat sauce pasta, rustic ratatouille, house salad, universal pet food, and dog pet food. So you can just try them out and see which one your dog likes. My dog Cinnamon likes the meat burger, and my dog Zorro likes the house salad. You can see Cinnamon like the food that I gave, and there's like a notification that says the doggy finds today's meal extra tasty. And if I go back and try to feed Cinnamon, I'll be able to see that his favorite food is the meat burger. So that is it for this video. I will list all of the possible favorite foods in the comment section. I'll pin it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!